When you're taking too long in the gas station and your dad is impatient.
Hey. Hey.
Oh, you're so cute, pup. Let me see you smile.
Y'all ready to take a bath?
Did you ready? All right. Let me get smiling. Ready? 1, 2, 3. Cheese.
You've got Kelt there. No running on the road.